Cadet Major Jonas Villar G5, Major Leader Cadet Sergeant Francisca Steph Caneva, Band Leader Cadet Sergeant Sean Cherby Belleca, Company Commander Cadet First Lieutenant Renz Marion Fidelino, Company XO Cadet First Lieutenant Kate Antonia Medina, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Second Lieutenant Jerome Talagik, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Second Lieutenant Maria Angelica Ibarreta, CAT Facilitator Commandant Mrs. Maria Shaular Arsilaje, Facilitator, Band Advisor Coordinator Miss Girly Joy Balindan, Major Trainer Miss Christine May Binosa, Miss Jocelyn L. Malinaw, School Principal. Entry number 34, La Consolacion College, Iriga City. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable City Councilor Doc Jess Albius. Morning, sir. Thank you. Entry number 34, La Consolacion College, Iriga City.